Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sort your inbox in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Asana app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects, portfolios and goals. From here we have to go into inbox in the bottom bar, and then at the top we find the two arrows, one pointing upwards, one pointing downwards. We have to tap on that, and then here we have two options. We can either sort our inbox by newest, which means that the newest things are going to appear at the top, or we can sort it by relevance, which is a beta function, yeah, it's going to show the most important things at the top. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.